One of the three following things could happen. So here three different conditions are there. Three can happen. Suppose a cell is there, we kept in sugar solution. What the three conditions can happen? The first one, liquid from the cell can come out. In that case, the cell will shrink. It will become smaller in size. The second condition, where from outside it may enter in the cell. In that case, the cell will swell up. It will become bigger. Or the third case, if the concentration is same, there is no net movement. So in that case, no change in the size. So these are the three conditions which could happen. So let's start out with in detail how the things are happening. If the medium surrounding the cell has higher water concentration, here more water is there outside. So how you need to remember? If the medium surrounding the cell has high water concentration, medium surrounding means outside. If outside more water is there, then meaning that the outside solution is very dilute. The cell will gain water by osmosis. As outside more water is there, so cell is gaining. So water is entering in the cell. Such a solution is known as hypotonic solution. Now here again this can be 1 mark question. What is hypotonic solution? So what we will explain for that? Here the concentration of water is more, or more water is present outside the cell and cell concentration is high. Inside the cell concentration of the solute is high. So water is moving inside from outside. What is hypotonic solution? When water will move inside the cell. As more water is there outside, we call such solution as hypotonic solution. Water molecules are free to pass across the cell membrane in both directions. So as we discussed, like water can move either inside or outside. They are free to move in any direction. But more water will come into the cell than will leave. The net result is that water enters the cell. The cell is likely to swell up. So for this paragraph, the key terms are there. Outside, more water is there. So when you are preparing your note, write down hypotonic solution. After hypotonic solution, more water outside, and water will move from outside to inside, and cell will swell up. So these 4 points you need to remember. More water outside, then water is moving from outside to inside the cell, and cell is swelling up for hypotonic solution. Next one, water concentration, there will be no, if suppose it is isotonic solution. Iso means equal, tonic is concentration. The meaning of the tonic is concentration. First case, hypotonic, this we are talking about the cell. Cell's concentration is less. Hypo means less, iso means equal, and hyper means concentration of the cell is more. Okay, here cell concentration inside the cell, water was less, so water entered from outside inside the cell. Isotonic, where the concentration of content or the solute inside the cell and outside both are equal. In that case, no net movement of water and no change in the size of the cell. So such solution is called isotonic solution. Now for the third case, here water cross the cell membrane in both directions, but the amount going in is the same as amount going out. So there is no overall movement of water. The cell will stay as same size. For isotonic, same size. Now the third case, if the medium has lower concentration of water, means outside less water is there. Here less water is there. So from inside water will come out, meaning that it is very concentrated solution. The cell will lose water by osmosis. Such a solution is known as hypertonic solution. All the three topics are very important, which can be asked either for the 2 marks or for 1 mark question, or sometime they can ask explain the process. In detail you need to write all the 3 topics. So here we got again 3 questions or the combined one. So 4 questions can be out of this paragraph. Again water cross the cell membrane in both directions, but this time more water leaves the cell than enters. Therefore the cell will shrink. For the third case, the cell is shrinking.